Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the HP LaserJet 1118 printer on Windows 11 in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to open your web browser in your PC or on your laptop. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for support.hp.com/drivers. So when you search for this particular URL, you will be landed here on the support page of HP. So here on the top, you will see a bunch of different tabs. Among these, I want you to click on the option of software and drivers. Now here, simply select the option of printers. Now in this particular search bar, you just have to type the model of your printer. So it is, in our case, is HP LaserJet 1118. So after typing it here, simply hit enter. Now it is going to show you the products that are listed below. So you can just simply click on this drop down menu. After that, you can search for HP LaserJet 1118. So here, simply just scroll down and look for this particular series. So as you can see, we have this HP Deskjet Ink Advantage, but we want the HP LaserJet. So simply just look for this particular option here. When you come on this page, click on the option of choose an operating system. After that, choose your operating system as Windows, then select your version as Windows 11, then click on the option of update. Now, as soon as you do this, it is going to show you all of the softwares and the drivers associated with the options that you have selected. So here, click on the option of this drop down menu, and then you can click on the option of download in order to basically download and install this particular driver on your PC or on your laptop. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.